Can property be transferred without going to probate? My name is Sarah Ocampo, and I'm a local Las Vegas estate planning, probate, and business attorney. The short answer is absolutely yes. You can transfer property while you're alive so that your family can avoid probate, which probate is the court process of transferring the decedent's assets to the rightful heirs. There are a couple ways you can accomplish this. Number one, you can create a trust. That's the most popular option. Create a trust, put your real property and your personal property into the trust while you're alive, and then that will avoid your family having to go to court, to probate court, to get the stuff. Another option, depending on your situation, is to make sure that any real property is deeded in what's called joint tenancy. And again, this depends on your situation. But for example, if it's a husband and wife, you can deed your real property into both of your names and have it held in what's called joint tenancy. If you do this, then if one of you passes, the other one will get the real property without having to go to court. So that's another option. There's a few other options that I won't go into here because it'll take too much time. So if you want to talk more about how to handle your real and personal property while you're alive and do something so that it doesn't have to go to probate court when you die, please feel free to give our office a call. We offer complimentary 15-minute phone calls that you can book directly online, or you can call my office to schedule.